Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, you see the condition of my car. Some people have done it so beautifully and nicely that today I'm gonna try this RIDGID vacuum cleaner to actually clean it. And at the end I'm gonna show you how it looks like. You can see how it looks now, and at the end I'm gonna show you again. Okay, so this is the first time I'm trying RIDGID here. Now, like, I'm not going to a gas station and use their pay-per-use vacuum cleaner. Instead I'm gonna use this RIDGID vacuum cleaner. Let's see how it does. Okay, so I'm gonna begin and then we are gonna see. So I'm gonna turn it on first. For better reach, I removed the top nozzle and let's see how it does. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, it's nice. Wow. So guys, while the cleaning is still on, we need to make sure that I mean I want to show you how it really works with small particles. Okay, so keep an eye and see here.